Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, today's lesson, in all seriousness, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a cartoon Octopus. That's right. He's also a character that I use in my Friendfish series. Well, before I share too much information about that one, you got to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Friendfish series. Later on a Saturday special, I'm going to be sharing more of that with you all. But as always, I always say is, you got one of these? Awesome. You got some paper? Awesome. Are you ready to go then? All right, let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was another fun lesson on teaching you how to draw a cartoon octopus. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you draw your own style. Take what you saw, what I shared with you, and maybe change his head and face and shape, or a different fish altogether, or a different octopus. Just enjoy the time that you have sketching and being an artist. As always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and make sure you have a great day. Thanks again. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.